Fixing phone numbers. When receiving guest lists, you may often see phone numbers which are formatted incorrectly. This can cause errors when you try to re-import such lists into a CRM or check-in app. In this sample list of Hong Kong phone numbers, you can see several issues. There are common spaces between the first and last 4 digits. Some phone numbers have a country code and some don't. Some country codes include the plus icon and some others do not have it. And some longer numbers show the scientific notation containing the letters E+. Let's fix these issues. I recommend removing all spaces between the numbers first. To do so, you can just use Excel's Find and Replace feature. Mark the phone number column, click on the Home tab, followed by Find and select. Click on Replace. Or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+H, to get there. Type in, space, into the Find What field. And keep the Replace with field blank. Click on Replace All. We have now removed all spaces within that column. Next, we want to remove the country codes 852 or 00852 or +852 from all phone numbers. Hong Kong phone numbers all have 8 digits. By knowing that, we basically just need to remove all numbers and characters in front of these 8, or in other words, only keep the last 8 digits of that cell. To do so, we can use the following formula. Type, right, click on the phone number in cell C2, and type, 8, followed by, enter. Double-click into the top lower corner of that cell to apply this formula to all cells below. Done. Sometimes, you may want to add the country code +852 to all your phone numbers. To do so, click on the cell next to the first phone number. Type, quotation marks, +852, quotation marks, the ampersand symbol, and click on the phone number in the cell to the left, followed by, enter. Apply this change to all cells below with a double click. If you like this video, please click on thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more event planning hacks. Thanks for watching.